In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert hours, minutes, seconds to decimal hours with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, you can use the convert time utility to quickly convert hour, minutes, and seconds to decimal hours, minutes, and seconds. Select the time cells, click the Kutools tab. In the range and cells group, click the content drop-down list and click convert time. And then select the converting option to meet your need. In this case, I will select time to hours. Then a dialog pops out to remind you of the number of converted cells. Click the OK button to close it. And as you can see, all the selected time has been converted. And if you want to save the converted decimal in another location, uh, in the range and cells group, click the content drop-down list. And this time in the convert time, select the convert time option. In the convert time dialog, uh, check the convert type you need. I will select time to hours and check to uh, save to another location checkbox and click this button to specify a cell. Press enter and then click the OK button, and as you can see, the time has been converted and located at the new location. Click the OK button. In the Kutools for Excel popped up dialog. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.